Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like MOTOROLA Razr or like that software from your MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. We have to open the settings, then go to the apps and tap on the seal apps. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself before, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just click on the application like that. Sorry, I can't find the app that I can uninstall it. Like this one, click on install and tap on OK. After that, go back to the app list and look for your web browser. In my case, it's Google Chrome. Now just tap on the storage and cache and manage space. Then tap on the clear data and OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so in this application we have to tap on the green circle and allow permissions, so tap on the switcher and go back to the app. Now choose the deep scan, and after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares should be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.